Okay guys, we're leaving now Jaipur. Didn't stay long, only 2 nights, but it's been enough. The city is very nice, very beautiful. A bit too dirty. It's a pity that they let it be so dirty. If they will take care of it, it would be amazing. But what can you do? But the people were so inhospitable. It's like everyone is trying to get a piece. Everyone is trying to scam you somewhere. You know, Delhi was much better. Let's see how we can find a way to go inside. Yeah. Okay, so basically I booked online, but I don't know if I have to redeem it or something, the ticket. From what I understand, I just need the message, the SMS message I received, but who knows. And of course I booked the cheapest. I think it's like $1.50, so it's almost 150 rupees, so it's like $1.5, something like that, maybe a bit more. So we will see how it is. Okay, so if I understand correctly, I saw the train number, so we have to find platform 4, which is somewhere around the other way, somewhere there. And I hope there's like an underway passage, because with this huge backpack I don't think I can just cross this. I'll probably be like a turtle trying to get back up. So let's see. There's like a passage. Ah yeah, there it is. Getting a glimpse of what second class looks like right now. I don't think there's any seating or anything. At least I didn't see any. I will ask someone. But it looks awesome. Basically, that's all I can say. If the bus ride was epic, I think the train will be even more. Because I love trains. I love train rides. I would live on a train if I could. Here's the platform. Okay, I was a bit lost where the platform is, but if you look at the sign, it shows to the right, but it just shows it this side. So I guess we are here. The platform. We still need to find out how is like a carriage or seats or whatever. Although I highly doubt it for $1 train ticket. We will see. So this is the message you get. You see train 14662. That's what it says over here. Suppose we can just wait here. Let's take a break from this backpack. Sorry, do you speak English? Sorry, you speak English? Yeah. Do you know if there's any seats in second class, or how is it? No? Or carriage, or it's anywhere you can sit? You don't understand, or you don't know? You don't understand. Oh, okay. Thank you. Okay, now I'm more confused. I still don't know. We will get on the train and we will see what can go wrong besides everything. Oh, let's grab some water. That's quite nice, drinking water. That's 10, 20 or 50 rupees saved, depending on the mood of the salesman that you get. So not a bad deal, I would say. Okay, it's quite noisy here, so I will talk to you later. Okay, so further updates. You see you have that D220 there. Then you have these letters up, like B, B2, B1. You see those letters? So I'm thinking that may be the carriage. I'm still not sure. Let's go and see. Okay, so there's an A there, that means it's the other way. The train is coming, so we need to figure it out quickly. Because moving on the train with this big backpack is not going to be fun. So let's see how we can find D2. Okay, but now it's S2, so I have no idea. Ah, this is the one, D2. Okay, yeah, so D2 is the carriage name. So we are in D2, second class, second seating. Along the D2 on the message, if you check, there's also 20. So I think that 20 is the seat. So we might actually have a seat, which is more than we can ask for. And really all that we want. Because it's a 5-hour train. So a seat will be welcome. But if there isn't one, you know, who cares? We'll have fun anyways. I'm sure most of the people looking at it, at least foreign people, not from India, looking at this train, are thinking, wow, this train is not very nice. But this train is pretty much like Romanian trains. We still have a lot of old trains. People are running to get on the train, so I probably should too. Sorry, man. Sorry, guys. Hello. 20. Yes. I'm not sure if it's there or there. What seat are you?
D1, D2,
D2.
D2, 20 number.
D2 20. So this is 67. Ah, so then it's that one.
20 number this,
Yeah.
this one way.
Yeah. Thanks, brother. Thanks a lot.
This one 20. Change coach.
Do I need to go outside or can I go?
This one, this way straight.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Excuse me.
Thank you, sir. धन्यवाद.
ऊपर भेजो.
My backpack is too big for this. I think it's this. Hello, how are you? कैसा है? Let's put the bag up. I can put there the bag? Can I put it there? It's okay?
No, I am long traveling from Badmer, 55 kilometers.
So,
So,
I'll put the other side? Okay. Okay, let me see if I can do it. Success. Oh, fuck.
ये रहा,
ये अंकल जी हमारा.
ये हमारा सेट.
I have 20.
28, 29 and 30.
I have 20.
28, 29, 30.
Ah, so 20 is next one. I don't.
ये आप खड़ी कर दे. ला रहे साइड में.
Ma? Ah, yeah. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Yeah, no, I'm not trying to take it. Sorry. I'm just looking for mine. I think that's mine. 20. Yes. Thank you. How are you? कैसा है? Good? This is an awesome place. We have a view. How are you? Thank you, very fine also. Acha. toilet
Yeah.
sometimes.
This is secret place. In the train.
Our trains are the same, also not very new. I have a poor country, so our trains are also not very good. So then we smoke like this here by the doors, and good smoking place. Good place for biri. You don't smoke?
No, no. I don't like this.
Unfortunately, I do. So where are you guys from?
Yeah, I'm from Rajasthan at Jodhpur city.
Ah, that's good.
Yeah.
And where you go?
Yeah, Jodhpur.
Ah, you go to Jodhpur. Okay, that's cool. What do you plan to visit? For me, what should I visit?
Fort hai, Umar Palace, Kailana Lakes, Macha Park,
Macha Park.
yeah, and Jashwant Thara, and और तो कुछ नहीं बस ये 5 and 6 palaces.
इससे क्या होता है?
Camera.
Photo camera, yeah.
Yeah.
चालू है?
Yes.
अच्छा, yeah.
This is shooting from nice place.
Yeah, smoking biri.
Yeah.
मैं
ये यहाँ से शूटिंग करके जाएंगे वहाँ पे जाके दिखाएंगे.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what's your name?
My name is Gaurav.
Goro?
Gaurav.
Goro.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a cool name, Goro.
Yeah, Gaurav.
I know, I think it like Mortal Kombat character or something like that, Goro. It was a video game.
Yeah.
And your name?
You like that PUBG?
PUBG, I never played unfortunately. I'm too old
Oh my
for
god.
PUBG. No, I just never had time for PUBG. I played World of Warcraft when I was young. You know it? And Counter Strike.
जाना क्या? इनके बाद इतना टैलेंट है, चर्च ट्रेन में बीड़ी लगाते हैं.
This is a talented form and this BD. Do you know that?
You would like a video?
First,
Yeah.
first,
Ah, yes, Biri Brothers.
Yeah.
Acha. Biri bhai.
ये देखो, इतनी हवा में भी लगा दिया.
This is a talent form.
Yeah. No, you see me, I have to hide here. I have to hide. This is professional.
Direct.
And then my biri goes off, I have to do it again.
This is a professional. बारू आए हैं बारू.
गेट पे बैठने का इनका शौक है.
Do you think we get to Jodhpur on time or it was delayed? We stayed too much in the station.
11 PM.
Yeah, you think it's okay?
Yeah.
Because we were stopped for a long time at one point, like 15 minutes, 20 minutes.
Okay. 20 minutes.
Yeah? Oh, so that's already taken into account.
यहाँ तो होटल करियोड़ी हो गया, केबल करियोड़ी.
Yeah. So visit from Jodhpur to rest from hotel. Rest from hotel.
Restaurant photo? Yeah.
No from hotel. Jodhpur.
Oh yeah, I have.
होल्ड कहाँ हो गए? होटल में?
I have.
हाँ तो
I have
बुकिंग है
होटल
या करवाते हैं वहाँ
I
जाके?
made reservation.
Okay.
ऑनलाइन करा दी होगी, है ना?
Yeah. Yeah, I made a reservation.
हमारे इंडिया में ज़्यादातर सब हिंदी मीडियम में. प्राइस कितनी है?
Price for this? Free. It was gift for me.
कितनी?
Gift, yes. I don't know. It's not very new, so I don't know how much it costs.
Basic price.
Basic price? I don't know. It's not so new now. Maybe $300. Still,
$300.
how much is that? Like a rupee?
यानी $300
Maybe 10,000.
यानी कि अपने यहाँ पे $1 की कीमत कितनी है?
है. 76 रुपये है.
Something like
है ना?
that.
$1 यहाँ इंडिया में कितना है?
$1?
76 है कितना है?
70 something, yes.
हाँ.
If you get a good deal, 70 something.
70 रुपया कितना?
मतलब क्वालिटी देखिए नहीं जैसे क्वालिटी GoPro हाँ
और तो की कंपनी का?
GoPro
हाँ.
for your age
My age is 30.
30.
Yes, 30.
Yeah.
Same as you?
Yeah, same here.
लेकिन
Many more. In Romania we say many
ये
more.
देखो
So it's not
आपका परमानेंट है, हमारा तो अब ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट,
like that. Mine is only
आपका
white
तो
only now.
प्योर व्हाइट है, मतलब नेचुरल है, हमारा तो
It will come back so, after some time.
एंजॉय.
Yes, very good. Thank you very much for helping me with the smoke. I was really wondering if you can smoke here, or it's a problem. In Romania we do it like this, you know, on the train. But I didn't know if people do it here.
You single and married?
Married? No, single. No girlfriend, nothing.
So how's your Romania? Can we describe this?
It's not that warm. But
Very cold, very hot.
no, it's more to the cold than to the hot.
This is India from Rajasthan. It's very hot.
It's very hot.
Yeah.
I think today in Jaipur was 38 or 39 degrees. It's the hottest I had in
ये तो
India.
ये रोड नहीं बोलते हैं.
Yeah, but for me it's okay. I don't sweat very much. Indians complain more about hot weather than me. For me it's still okay. I think until 40. But if you stay in the sun, for me I already get red. You know, I get one. But it's okay.
This is a talent.
Yeah, I don't know how to do that. I don't know that technique like this. Fail.
Hey, hey.
Okay, thank you guys. Thank you very much. We will talk here, of course.
Yeah.
We still have a long way to go. So fat. Okay, we've made it to Jodhpur with 1 hour delay. So far impressions are very nice about the city. The people seem very cool. I'll probably extend my stay because, like I was saying before, I didn't necessarily like Jaipur so much. It was too much, I think. I think we'll extend our stay here. I see there's food shops open still, so I'm just going to check in and then I'll go grab something to eat because I didn't eat much today. The train ride was amazing, awesome, loved it, pretty much like I love the bus ride. So, hello sir, how are you? Good. I love the train ride. How should I put the experience? Was it dirty? I think in comparison it would be like riding on a garbage truck, on the backside of the garbage truck when it's collection day. Was it smelly? Quite smelly. Was there any issues? No. Everyone was very nice. Everyone was very helpful. I really liked it. And I recommend to everyone to try it. Second class, second seating, basically the cheapest option there. The one you should try. I'll let you guys know because I need to find my hotel. So goodbye.